Hey guys, today we're going to be trying out more of those P. Louise palettes. So if you watched my last video, I think it should be my last one, I tried out the AM to PM collection from P. Louise, and I said that in like the coming videos we were going to try out the 10 pan palettes, so that's what we're doing today. The first one that I have here is so these palettes are called like the You Give Me Butterfly palettes, and then they have their individual names. This one is Moonlit Meadow. This is the outer packaging here. Very cute. And then this is what the packaging of the actual palette looks like. I feel like it's stunning. And then we have these beautiful shades inside. So I'm very excited. I'm really like, yeah, just really excited to use this palette today. I think we're gonna go for, you know, my typical kind of dark outer corner, beautiful shimmer in the middle. Yeah, I'm just gonna prime my eyes and then we're gonna get started. Still going on my P. Louise base, by the way. I swear this is like, I don't know when it's gonna run out. I really don't. Just gonna quickly message my boyfriend because I realized that I messaged him like an hour and a half ago. He told me he was like on his way home, and it's like, alright, so eyes are primed. I think the very first shade I'm going to take is called Lilac You A Lot. I Lilac You A Lot. That's real cute. This one here. And I'm going to, you know, buff that through the crease. Oh, he said they had to pick up my sister. That's why they've taken a little bit longer. Yay. I feel like I'm either using the wrong brush for this. I feel like I'm using the wrong brush for this. It's too like, I need a big fluffy one. I might actually bring you guys a little bit closer. Today I feel like I'm just really off my game. From the moment I woke up I didn't feel very good. Like I had an alright sleep last night, but I just really didn't feel good when I woke up, and then like I cleaned my bedroom and stuff, which was good. Like I'm glad I got that done. But then I just felt so tired and just so like, just shitty. So I had a nap and then I had a really awful dream. A really sad dream. And when I woke up I was like crying, and yeah, I feel like that's just really rocked me and put me in a shit mood. And that's why I originally messaged Kate and I was like, where are you? Like, come home please. Like, and they were already on their way home, thank God, but now it's been an hour and a half. But yeah, I used to get really, like, I'm a very anxious person, and I used to get really stressed at being home alone. I haven't been like that for years, but today was like the first day where I kind of, and I'm talking about like in the daytime, like I used to get really stressed being at home alone in the daytime. And I'm at the point, like today was like the first day in like, I don't know, maybe like, I'd say like 10-ish years where I actually felt like scared to be home alone in the daytime, and it was just after that dream. Like I don't know, it just really rocked me, and yeah, it was just really sad. Every time, I know this probably is going to sound so silly, but I fall asleep listening to true crime, and I know a lot of people do, but it's just making me wonder, like, maybe it's not good to be consuming so much like negativity, like subconsciously. Do you know what I mean? Alright, the next shade that I'm going to take is called Magic Meadow, and it's basically like that shade we just used, but just a little bit deeper. So we just used this one here, and now we're going to be using this one. I know you guys are probably sitting there being like, well duh, like, I don't know, like true crime has never really affected me in that sense. Like, it's, I don't know, there's been a few cases where like, you know, that I've kind of haven't finished and stuff like that because they've kind of been like too much. But I feel like usually I'm pretty alright at like switching off from that kind of stuff. But lately I've kind of had to change. Like I refuse to listen to any cases about like child abuse anymore, or torture or things like that, because like I just can't do it anymore, like mentally. Like I just feel like it's too awful, and it just makes me wonder like I used to love true crime, and like I still do. I think, you know, I prefer like the kind of the psychology behind it and things like that, and also like the mystery behind some of those like more strange cases. Like But yeah, like lately I just can't handle it anymore. It's really weird. Going back into that first shade and using that to like blend this out. So yeah, I don't know if like it's just catching up to me now. Do you know what I mean? Like, yeah, I feel like, I don't know. But yeah, today was just, that dream was really awful. I'm not even going to tell you guys what it's about just because I think it's just like, what's the point? You know what I mean? Like, the next shade I'm going to take is called Twinkle Dust, which is this one here. I just feel like I have watched true crime for so long that if I didn't watch it anymore, like I don't really know what else I would watch. Like I watch a lot of makeup videos and stuff like that, but I feel like a lot of my life is makeup. And I don't want to get to the point where I hate it, you know what I mean? Where I overconsume. Oops. I still watch, yeah, so many makeup videos. But yeah, I just don't know. Alright, I'm going to take, yeah, that shade now. Put it in the outer corner. My mum has told me that I should get into ebooks and stuff. But I don't know, I just find them hard to get into. Like, I do love reading. Like, I haven't read a book in so long just because I've been busy. Like, it's so hard sometimes because if I have enough time to sit down and read a book, I'm like, I should be doing something productive. You know what I mean? So, I feel like I don't have a whole lot of, like, actual downtime because, like, yeah, I like making my videos. Like, I love making my videos, but sometimes I do feel like a chore. Like, you know what I mean? So, I think there's also a lot of pressure, like, not from anyone else, but from me, like, internally to do my videos and stuff sometimes. So, sometimes they don't feel that fun because I'm, like, pressuring myself to do them or, you know, stuff like that. Like, don't get me wrong, I love them. But, you know, it's different to doing something else for fun, I feel like, in a sense. Alright, I'm going back into Magic Meadow. I'm going to take a Magic Meadow of a mixture of Magic Meadow and I like you a lot, my god. So yeah, I don't know, I feel like, yeah, like, I don't even know what else I would watch if I didn't watch true crime. Eleanor Neale has started this series on her channel. It's called like Freaky Friday. And it's like not so much like murder cases, but it's like stuff like kind of like creepy kind of stuff like that. And I feel like that's been good because, you know, they haven't been truly awful, but like they've still been along that same kind of road, do you know what I mean, of like mystery or weird stuff or I don't know. So, you know, they haven't been complete and utter tragedies, but it's still been like something cool. So I don't know, maybe like I just need to find something different. How stunning is this colour? This is that like this shade here. It's called Prairie, I think. I don't think I'm going to be able to use it today though because I feel like it's too close to what we have going on in the eye. I think, I don't know what shade I'm actually going to do, like, and I don't know if I should cut the crease. I feel like I'm not going to cut the crease. But yeah, I don't know what shimmer shade. That's kind of cool. I think I'm going to do like, this like in the outer corner kind of, and then like a lighter shimmer in the middle, like kind of, what do you call it, like ombre kind of. But yeah, I don't know, things have just been a little bit, I've just realised how much negative content that I'm actually consuming, and because it's not even always just the true crime and stuff like that, it's like you log onto TikTok and you see some you know, some horrific thing, and it's like, I can't even remember if I've talked about this on my channel. I feel like I have, I can't remember, or if I, like, I know that I've been thinking it like a lot lately, so I can't remember if I've ever like said anything about it online or if I've just been talking, like I've been talking about it to my mum and stuff. But like, it's like I went on Facebook, like this is just one that's kind of like stuck with me in a sense. Like I went on Facebook I don't know, a couple of weeks ago, and there was like this woman posting about her son. I can't remember what the initial post was, but basically her son was like murdered by his friends, and like it was like I don't know, something weird, like he got shot or something like that, like, but it was like apparently like his friend had said like it was an accident, like he didn't mean to do it or something like that. But I like went on like an hour and a half long rabbit hole, just like, you know, stalking this woman and finding out everything about the case, and like feeling her pain in a sense, like, and like it's good in a way because it's like obviously like she's trying to get the word out there and obviously she's done that, but at the same time like I feel like I still remember that now, and that was like a couple of weeks ago, and I'm feeling all these emotions and stuff about like people that I don't even know, and like I don't know, it's just so like, I don't know if that sounds selfish, but sometimes ignorance is bliss, because I feel like every single day I'm going through a new tragedy because I'm getting wrapped up in someone else's life, like something horrific that's happened to somebody else, and I just don't know, like I just feel like it's, I don't know. This looks cute, I think. Like it's nothing groundbreaking, but it's pretty. Okay, I'm going back into that Twinkle Dust shade, the dark shade. I think that's why, yeah, I don't know. I don't know. Things have just been, yeah, weird. And I feel like I'm just becoming like real hyper aware of it lately, of like how much negative content and stuff I actually am consuming, and like the negative effect and stuff that's happening. Like I feel like, yeah, I don't know. It's so weird. So if anyone else feels the same, please let me know down below, because I'd be very interested to know. Sorry, that was a huge tangent. Anyway, I can't tell if I should do liner with this or not. I feel like I kind of want to. Alright, I'm gonna go off camera anyway, and I'm gonna, yeah, probably add liner and do the rest of my base and everything, and I'll be back. Oh, sorry, I've got an itchy leg, and I'll show you guys the finished look. So this is the finished look. I feel like it's real cute. I actually quite like it. I feel like it's quite simple, but just pretty girly, floaty, you know. I do think this palette is absolutely stunning. I feel like I got so overwhelmed with the big palette, and I mean, if you guys watched that video, you saw how much of a mess that was at the start. But yeah, I love palettes like this because I feel like they're easy to me. Like my brain works in a very weird way, and when I see something like this, it's like, ah, oh, so simple. So it's like a nice treat for my brain. But yeah, I'm really excited to try out the other ones. We have 4 left. So we have a blue, a green, a yellow, and a pink. So yeah, so excited to try that as well. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Really hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.